8:45. I ain't got no Facebook, man. I can just put it on YouTube, man. I got the Watergate on now, man. I got the video gate going. I can put it up on YouTube, man. And all you got to do is go to my channel and see what it sounds like, man. 8:45. Oh, 36 said, I ain't got no Facebook, but I got a YouTube page, man. I'm recording it right now. Hello, 45. I just put the video gate on. 45. Can you do it with that Toyota Mobile? Break, break. You're going to go on 36 New York video gates. 36 New York video gates. 36 NY video gates. All one word. 8:45. 36 NY video gates. I'm recording you. Break, break, break. .45, I got about 20 dBs of noise and you coming in with it, man. 8:45, I got about 20 dBs of a beehive in my radio and you coming up in it, man. 8:45, I hope you can get a better time this time. Come on, key again. Break, break, break.
Hey, Dirt Dollar 549, so you probably have a bunch of headaches on that cat making in. Dirt Dollar, you hear me break.
36 New York video gates. 36 New York video gates. 36 NY video gates on YouTube. I'm recording you, man. You coming in just a little bit, man. You were coming in better before I started recording, Duck Plugger. 8:45, let's try it again. Break, break, break.
Hey, Dirt Driver, I'm just trying my best to stay ahead of the game. Dirt Driver 549 on the Bluegill Driver gone.
By 45, if you want to go to channel 4, we can do a nice YouTube on it, man. If you want to go down to channel 4, I can do a nice recording on you, man. 8:45, if you want to go to channel 4, I'll give you a good recording. Break, break, break. Yeah, I got old 549 up in my radio talking to that mud duck in New Jersey, 148. I got that mud duck in New Jersey, 148's talking to 549. So I got 549 up in my radio. Take care, 45. I'm going to turn this thing on and put it up on YouTube, man. Give it a few minutes and it'll load up. But there's a whole bunch of other ones you can watch. Take care, 45, 36. Bye, bye, bye.
Keystone Ball, you say go ahead and talk. You got 21 on that end. Scroll out across there.